out on new content. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. This script implements a simple question answering (QA) agent using LangChain and OpenAI's GPT model. It first loads environment variables for API key management, initializes the language model, and defines a structured prompt template. The prompt guides the AI to provide concise and relevant answers. The script then creates an LLMChain, which processes user queries by combining the prompt and language model. A function get_answer is defined to take user input, process it, and return the AI's response. Finally, the script demonstrates both an example query and an interactive mode where users can input their own questions. Library to load environment variables. OpenAI model integration in LangChain. Template for structuring user queries. Load environment variables from .env file. Set the OpenAI API key from environment variables. Initialize the OpenAI language model. Model specifies the model version to use, GPT-4o mini. Max_tokens limits the response length to 1000 tokens. Temperature controls randomness, 0 means deterministic responses. Define the prompt template to instruct the AI on how to respond. Question placeholder for the user's question. The template ensures responses are clear and concise. Create a structured prompt using the prompt template class. Create the LLMChain processing pipeline by combining the prompt and model. Function to generate an answer from the AI model. Takes a user question as input and returns an AI-generated answer. Parameters question str the user's question returns str AI-generated response. Create input dictionary. Process question through the LLMChain. Return the generated answer. Example usage: ask a predefined question. Interactive mode: allow user to input their own question. Get question from user. Process the question through AI. Now run our code. The video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.